Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Dr. Nordila Nordin and I am going to present the draft work of a board game that we created called Rev-Opoly. This work is financially supported by a total grant from University Utara Malaysia. Rev-Opoly is a Monopoly-based board game with augmented reality intervention. The idea of Rev-Opoly is to use this board game as part of the learning process where this board covers topic 9 in computer application in management subject, which is on emerging technology revolution. Similar to the typical Monopoly game, Rev-Opoly has 4 types of cards called Chance, Did You Know, IR questions, and also technological questions. These cards contain information or question which, to know the correct answer, the card will be scanned as the answer will appear in the form of AR. For example here, player's piece will be represented by a simple code or an image. When the player scans on it, the AR will display a 3D image of the piece or token of the player, representing player 1. Similarly, for player 2, there will be 4 different pieces to represent different players. The way that this game works, say that the player lands on IR 2.0 as being circled here. To buy this technology or property, the player needs to pick a card from the IR question. At the back of it, there will be a question that needs to be answered. For example, it says, what does it mean by industrial revolution at this stage? As the player lands at IR 2.0, this question refers to what does IR 2.0 mean. To check the answer, this question card needs to be aligned next to the IR 2.0 section on the board. Then, scan it using the phone for example, and the answer will appear as AR in 3D as shown here. Similarly, for other part on the Rev-Opoly board, pick a question card, then align the question with where the player lands. For example here, the player lands on cloud computing. The question card selected asks, what does it mean by this term, where this term refers to cloud computing. To check the answer, the player can scan the card, and in this example, the AR will show a video that the player can click play to watch it. So that's roughly a quick overview of this Rev-Opoly game. This is nearly finishing, so hopefully it can be used by computer application in management students in this semester. That's all. Thank you.